must be holy, as the Lord is holy. We must be righteous, as the Lord is righteous. We must be pure, as the Lord is pure. We must be holy,